All right, math friends, I learned my lesson. This stops after 15 minutes, so it cut off at the end, but we added up and it was 23, so your answer should be 23 bikes, because this is how many bikes are brought to the store. All right, now we're going to jump to number 6. I'm going to read it, and then I want you to pause again. There are 95 pieces of popcorn in a bag. Sydney eats some of the pieces. Now there are 52 pieces in the bag. How many pieces did Sydney eat? So I want you to think, do we know the total? How many total pieces were there in the bag to start? Then she ate some pieces. And how many pieces are left? Use up the all adding up method to find your answer. Go ahead and hit pause now, and then hit play when you're ready for your work to be checked. All right, here we go. So there are 95 pieces of popcorn. So I know that's my total. That goes at the top. She ate some. And then she has 52 left. We don't know how many she ate. That's what we have to solve for. So I'm going to put my unknown down here. Now we're going to go ahead and use the all totals method, or the adding up method, to find our answer. We're going to start with 52 plus what equals 95. Ready? We're going to count up till we get to our next group of 10. Then we're going to switch and use 10 sticks till we get to 90 and then switch back. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 70, 80, 90. I need to get to 95, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Okay, let's count to make sure we have that. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. Now we need to add our 10 sticks and 1s up to get our answers. Start with the 10s. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. So I get 43. She ate 43 pieces of popcorn. 52 plus 43 equals 95. So they'll go ahead and put your answer, 43, with your label, pieces of popcorn. Okay, make sure it's spelled correctly because it's spelled correctly within your story problem. All right, if you need to pause to finish your label or to finish your equation or your problem, go ahead and hit pause. Otherwise, we're going to continue on to the last one. So number 7. It says, in a package of stickers, there are 45 red stickers and some blue stickers. There are 100 stickers in all. How many stickers are blue? So think, do we know the total? Where does the total go? Do we know the addend? Where does one of those addends go? Okay, go ahead and hit pause to solve this on your own first. Then press play when you're ready. All right, nice work, second grade. Let's see. I'm going to read it again to figure out where my numbers go. In a package of stickers, there are 45 red stickers and some blue stickers. There are 100 stickers in all. How many stickers are blue? Well, I know my total is 100. There are 100 in all. I know 45 of them are red, but I don't know how many are blue. So that's my unknown I need to solve for. So I put 45 over here because I'm going to use my all totals method, or my adding up, sorry. 45 plus what equals 100. So let's go. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, stop, count by tens to 100. 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's check it. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Now let's count our 10 sticks and 1s to find our missing addend. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. 45 plus 55 equals 100. So my answer is, remember I'm solving for how many stickers are blue. So 55 blue stickers. Nice work today, second grade. So the check understanding, we showed our work for all of them. So you already did that step. So nice work. If you need to go back and listen to any of this again or to listen to one of the problems and try to solve it again, go ahead. Otherwise, you are done with math for today. And I will see you again tomorrow, or you'll watch my video again tomorrow. Have a great day.